sons of Scotland. I am Triple H. Now I've heard the stories. I'm 7 feet tall. And I defeat superstars by the hundreds. And if they were here, I would consume them with fireballs from my eyes and lightning from my arse. But I am Triple H. I stand here before you in defiance of tyranny and a free man. Am I? Would I be willing to trade all the days from this day to that for one chance, just one chance to shine on the grandest stage of them all and tell my enemies that they may try at WrestleMania, but they'll never take my title! Are you with me?
Did you think that lay at the end of Crusade? What God desires is here and here.